I'm gonna go ahead and share this item that was gifted to me. It is your professional car companion, and let's go ahead and open this box up. Okay, got the box open here. It has a nice case. Look at that. So on the outside of the box, it says car jump starter with air compressor. It's a 16 amp peak current. Instant start for your car. 30 mm big air pump. Support up to 150 psi. So this is a emergency start, motorcycle, car, bicycle, ball inflation, custom inflation modes, emergency light, direct pressure indication. So let's go ahead, look at this bag itself. It's got nice Velcro on the top. Nice handle, nice little bag up in the front, and it's got your accessories for your air pump right there, and your different attachments to pump up different, like a ball attachment in there, or just different kinds of valves in there to put onto this guy here to pump up tires. And so that's what's in that. You got some mesh on the side here. You can put some things in here too. And on this side, it does have a double zipper. And inside here, this is Jedis for Jesus, and we are Bible-believing Christians. And if you want to find the truth, that is where you look. What you have is the actual cables to jumpstart a dead battery. I really like that it has this bag that you can put everything away really nice and tidy. This is something I'm going to have in my truck, and then my RV trailer. I'm going to have that in there, you know, for pumping up the tires for the truck or the trailer. And then this also has a very nice light on it. So I'm going to demonstrate that all for you here shortly. Got your user's manual here. So right here, you press the OK button. Everything lights up. It's showing how much of a charge this has in it. Looks to me it's fully charged. So on this right here, it just shows the OK button, the different functions. It shows 36 psi. You could adjust all that. So it has the different little symbols there. That's here's for a car, for a motorcycle, for a bike, and for a ball. And then I guess it would automatically stop when it gets up to the right air pressure. So you want to go ahead and press OK to get the compressor to start working. And then you just have to press OK again for it to stop. So that's something you can go ahead and play around with. So right in here, you flip this open. It has USB-A and USB-C. I believe they're both output actually, it says USB is out. That is the A, and the USB-C, it says in. This side right here is where you plug in these, go in right here. And there's a little bit indicator light right up here on the top. Not sure if you can see that. So you can jump a car then, get the battery started, get the car started. Nice handle there. So you go ahead and hold this button down for about 2 seconds. Turn it off, and about 2 seconds to turn it on. There you go, and if you click on it real fast, you got the strobe light. And there you go, got it off. Let me go ahead and show you me pumping up some tires using this. So up here in the front, so to charge it, you do USB-C, you plug in right there, and you go ahead and charge it. And then if you want to charge something else like your phone or something like that, you got the USB-A that you can go ahead and plug into there and charge maybe your phone or some other device. So I do want to show you, it does come with a nice long cord. This is the USB-C cord on both sides, so you can go ahead and charge this device. And then, if, like I said, if you want to go ahead and charge your phone or something like that, you need to get a USB-C connection to plug into here and be able to then to charge your device, your phone or whatever. So let me go ahead and show you all the different ways you can use this power bank. You could go ahead and charge multiple devices. All you have to do is plug in right here to the USB-A port. You go ahead and plug it into your device. And there you go, now it's charging. So I'm going to go ahead and show you there's multiple ways that you can charge multiple devices with this. Here's a fan that I got, and all the different cords and everything. So you plug that guy in, and let's say you want to charge this device. Now that's going to start charging, and you want to go ahead and charge your phone. There you go. Now you have two devices charging off the battery pack. Alright. And another way you could go ahead and charge something using one of these, and then you have actually 4. And then you can get an adapter. Now go ahead and plug in here. That is charged, and then you have this other plug. It's showing you the different ways that you could just charge up multiple devices, especially if you're camping. There you go. So that's one way that you can use this. And again, this wonderful bag that it comes with, it has places where you could go ahead and put things on the side, like the cords. Or you can put them up here in the front. And it has another pocket over here. The other way you can use this is a nice flashlight. Now I want to go ahead and show you putting air into the bike tire here. Press OK. Look for the bike. So it shows car, motorcycle, bicycle, and ball. So I'm going to go ahead and get it on the bicycle. It says 36. I'm going to go ahead and get the cord. Okay, we got that in there. So we got the air line hooked up. Now we're going to go ahead and just show you on there. On the pump itself. And there you go. It has 36 pounds of pressure in it, and it turns itself off. That is one neat feature of this thing that I really like about it. So we'll go ahead and do the front tire. So as you can see right there, it shows 0. Now when you attach it to the bike, it'll tell you what the pressure is in there. It says 12. So you go ahead and press OK. And it stops again. Now we got the motorcycle. And we go ahead and check this one out. See what it reads. And that's showing 28.5 pounds, so I'm going to go ahead and fill this up too. And it shuts itself off again. Just want to show you, if you want to increase the amount of air, you just press that. It's on the bike. You can go ahead minus or plus, and then it'll stop at 37. So let's go ahead and do the back tire, and I'll show you how that works. Now I have that hooked up to the back tire. I'm going to go ahead and press OK, start it. And there you go. I increased it to 37 pounds and it actually stopped at 37. Really like that device like that. If you got any value out of this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified when we upload a brand new video. Thank you! And the last thing this is great for is to actually jump start a car. So you go ahead and put the cable in here. That in. Put this on your ground. And then put this on the positive. And then you go ahead and start up your car, and it should kick over. So now this thing needs a charge. It's showing that it only has one bar left. So once you go ahead and jump start a car, you want to go ahead and charge it up. So you plug this guy in, and there you go. Now you see it charging. So this is just wonderful to have because it's a emergency light and power bank, and pumps up your tires, and then when you're in a bind and you can't start your car and you need a jump start, there it is. So always make sure that you have this charged up. So very handy device. I would highly recommend getting one of these. This is Jedis for Jesus. Hope to see you one day soon in heaven.